You think you know America? Think again. From a town with just one person to laws that sound like they came from another planet, the United States is full of bizarre, shocking, and downright unbelievable truths. Stick around because fact number 1 will make your jaw drop. 10. There's a town with a population of 1. Yes, Minowi, Nebraska has only one resident, Elsie Eiler. She's the mayor, librarian, and bartender all at once. 9. Alaska is bigger than you think. Alaska is so massive it's larger than Texas, California, and Montana combined. If it were a country, it would be the 19th largest in the world. 8. The U.S. has no official language. Despite being predominantly English-speaking, the United States has no official federal language. 7. It has a hidden gold vault. The famous Fort Knox in Kentucky holds over 147 million ounces of gold, but no one is allowed inside except a few select individuals. 6. Americans eat 100 acres of pizza each day. That's about 350 slices per second. Pizza is practically a national treasure. 5. There's a place where gravity feels broken, Mystery Spot in California has baffled scientists and visitors with its strange gravitational anomalies. Balls roll uphill and people appear to shrink or grow instantly. 4. You can legally own a flamethrower. Yes, in most states, owning a flamethrower is completely legal with no license required. Just don't try this at home. 3. The U.S. flag has been to the moon. 6 U.S. flags were planted during moon landings. Most are still standing, even decades later. 2. A town that celebrates Christmas all year. Santa Claus, Indiana receives thousands of letters every year addressed to Santa, and the town responds to every one. 1. There's a secret city that was built overnight. During World War II, Oak Ridge, Tennessee was secretly constructed for the Manhattan Project. It didn't even appear on maps until years later. So, how many of these did you actually know? Hit that like button if you learned something new today, and subscribe for more insane facts every week. This was just the beginning. America has secrets we've barely scratched the surface of. See you in the next one.